This is our parcel, quite large. Let's open it. Voila! Here is our keyboard. As you can see, we have quite large. It's quite heavy, and with additional keys. What else? Warranty. Wow, what's this? What's this? It's for my mobile phone. No? And what is inside? I think a cable. Ah, yeah, USB cable. That's all. That's it. Nothing more. Warranty information. Surprisingly, there are 2 batteries inside. Usually no batteries. If you order through AliExpress, there are no batteries at all. I realized that 2 of them, good quality GP, not rechargeables of course, but 2 of them, and USB connector. But if you don't plan using USB, if you want to use Bluetooth, of course you don't need that. Okay, let's connect it.